Hi, I'm Jojo, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. Monday, the whole school arrived back from the break with tons of excitement for the final part of the school year. The virtue of this week, generosity. Tuesday, students across all grades continued their learning in a range of subjects with enthusiasm and diligence. Wednesday, plenty of excitement was shown down at the pool as school swim gala preparations were in full swing. Thursday, everyone enjoyed a day off to celebrate Deepavali, the festival of lights. Friday, students and staff came dressed in many vibrant colors for our Deepavali dress-up day, marking the end of our first week back. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Jojo, and we'll see you again next time.